Legends, my name is Zeus. I've got so much room for activity here. Welcome back. I mean, well, this is technically the first of the series. This is Unconventional Unboxing. Because, let's be honest, I'm not a reviewer, but I like to unbox things. You know, on Christmas Day, who doesn't love to wrap?
Yo, this is Critic Zeus. Christmas 2016. Gotta do my rap. I like Christmas.
So today, thanks to HyperX, I've got... Oh wait, which way is the front way? This is the front, sorry. There it is. This is the Alloy FPS. So it's the first HyperX keyboard that they've released, and we're going to unbox it. It does have Cherry MX Blues, so they're gonna click real well. It's got English, and then it's the US standard in which they have the keyboard layout. So we're gonna unbox this together because we do things like that in unconventional unboxing. All right, so there's a couple of tabs. Like honestly, look at this. Open it up. Other than me failing at that, you open it up and look, there's a carry bag. So when you want to go to your LAN tournaments, or just bring your keyboard with you wherever you go.
Everywhere you go, always take the weather with you. Everywhere you go.
Ooh. And a little congratulations on joining the HyperX team. So if you buy one of these, you get a little card that congratulates you. Get ready to experience a whole new world. Of gaming with HyperX. As passionate gamers ourselves, we sweat the details to make the exceptional products, knowing you will notice the difference. For more than a decade, HyperX products have been developed with gaming in mind and built tough for seriously extreme performance and the ultimate competitive edge. Not that I competitive game, but yeah. Thank you for choosing HyperX and supporting a brand that supports you. Now, this is when I get into the qualms about the video, about the unboxing. So my issue is that this was this way, right? So you think, oh, okay, the orientation is there. But then you remove this and then the keyboard's backwards. And then my life, it's just, you know. I try really hard, Legends, to wow you with everything, but I'm gonna pull, okay. Well, first of all, this is the beautiful keyboard itself. It is gorgeous. It actually is really nice. Like, so I was fortunate enough to be invited to an event where they told us about this. It was very hush. So I kept this secret for a while, and I wanted to do this video for a bit of fun. But yeah, like honestly, this thing is quite solid. You could probably, you'd do some damage. You know, if someone came in to rob your PC and you use this as the tool to deter them from doing so, they would run away for sure. So, but don't use it as your main weapon of choice. Please use it as a keyboard. That's what the main function is. Now, what I was umming and ahhing about, you probably can't see that anymore, but anyway, because it's unconventional unboxing, I don't have good framing. These things, right? I saw a bunch of posts with them, and they're like, so they're red. I can just zoom in there, and oh, that is so cool. I'll have to figure out how to do that. I think it gives you a tool to take off the keys. But yeah, so I'll eventually do something like that. And then something I absolutely love about this keyboard is that you think, oh, is it a wireless keyboard? No, it's not a wireless keyboard. They're not idiots. It's built for FPS stuff, so they need high response rates, and wireless doesn't carry that speed. But what they do have is a beautiful braided cable that can be detached. That's right, I said detached. Now, so this is actually a really, really smart concept, because the amount of times that I've had issues with my giant cable from my current keyboard and not being able to unplug it, and you know, it just gets in the way, and having something that you can detach. Good job, HyperX. Great work. All right, and there's nothing else but nice soft padding. I've got a pillow for the rest of the week then. But yeah, anyway, so you must be thinking, oh, is that it? Is that all you have today? No, it's not, because I have the HyperX Fury Pro Gaming Mousepad. Now, so this thing is supposed to be huge. I don't have an unboxing tool. I have one job. Not my unboxing tool. All right, so let's get into it. Cut away from you. Always cut away from you. All right, there we go. Now, don't play with knives at home. I'm a professional. I have no way. Oh. I'm super excited because I've had this same mouse pad, which is a Sims 4 mouse pad, for the last 2 years. And you can imagine it's not pretty, but ready? Look how big it is.
That's what she said.
I loved the unconventional unboxing from @CriticZeus at HyperX ANZ. There we go. Put that. Tweet it now. Thank you. And I'll see you legends later.